about developing positive math identities with our students is to think about the connections that can be made.
Making connections is key to the Bridges math curriculum. Oakwood Schools students in kindergarten through 5th grade will begin using the new curriculum on day 1 this fall. Staff members had the opportunity to train with their teams using the new learning tools, and they say they're excited about the possibilities.
The program brings math alive for the students. It's hands-on. It has the students having those important discussions. It brings the students together as a community, and that's something that we really noticed that our children here really needed to excel in mathematics.
So the 50 minus 30 equals 20 is very similar to the person who was here. They subtracted not 30, but they subtracted 10, which gave them the 20.
Teachers say with the new program, they'll be able to assess students more accurately as they see them working each day.
It allows you to jump into conversation. It allows you to move throughout the room. It allows you to give nuggets of questions to allow the students to probe their own thinking, and to meet with every student as they're working rather than being in one spot limited to just giving the information.
Oakwood teachers met in early June to work with trainers, reviewing the materials and the tools that come with the Bridges curriculum. Teachers say the hands-on activities will benefit young learners.
I think the manipulatives allow students to get that kinesthetic piece to match with their thinking and their memory. Kind of like the example she gave in there of a student was visualizing a number rack to do adding of 8 plus 8. They didn't have the number rack present, but they could visualize that model in their mind and then give the answer that way.
Teachers will also be able to share with families concepts and ideas to help their students become mathematical thinkers.
One of the important parts of using the language at home is that you are looking at real world situations with our students. It's not just putting 9 times 3 on a piece of paper. It's looking at 9 groups of 3 and looking at ways when you're out in the community, you're shopping, you're playing games, that you are having those discussions. If you have those talks, that's what we're doing in the classroom. So it's not necessarily being real nitpicky about very specific ways with math. It's just being flexible with math discussions, asking your children, well, how did you come up with that? Could you think of another way of solving that problem? Just so that we're more mathematical thinkers. So if you're bringing that home and we're bringing that here, all 3 of us, student, teacher, family, working together, we're going to really excel.